guys, welcome to the first episode of how to make your own Roblox game. In this episode, we'll learn how to install Roblox Studio, which is the program that helps you make Roblox games. To get started, open any web browser and search for roblox.com/create. And you'll see the thing called Roblox Creator Hub. Open it and click on Start Creating. So click on Download Studio and it will start installing. When it does, double click it and this error. So it will open Roblox Studio and you need to log in with your Roblox account, like the one you play Roblox with, and just write the username and password and just log in. Or you can also use email me one-time code or quick sign in. So after you sign in, you will see this screen. Here you are on the home tab. The home tab has your recent games if you have been making some recent games. If you haven't, you'll see a few templates. Templates are kinda what Roblox gives you as like a start, as a template of a game. You can open the templates tab to see all the templates Roblox gives you. And also we have the experiences tab where all your games you've been making are, and your recent where all your recent games are, and your archive where all your archived games are. So if you want to start making game stuff, just click on new experience. But you don't even know what to do. If you know how to script and stuff, you can just click new experience. If you don't, you can watch the next episode, which I will be releasing soon. Maybe I'll have enough time after I finish this episode. And if you found this episode helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you need any help, comment down below. And see you in the next one.